Wood looks good in almost any setting, unlike any other material. Be it rustic or modern, wooden furniture can be part of any design scheme. The different species will blend together in one room or house. You might want to consider pine for the dresser and red gum or spotted gum for a large dining table. The versatility of wood extends to the outdoors as well. Furniture made of timbers can look wonderful on a veranda or in the garden when treated with oils to withstand exposure to the elements. Plenty of variety is available for wood style and look due to the vast range of tones and colors available. And this is excluding the subtle but noticeable differences between the textures and grains of different cuts and species. There is further variety available beyond the actual material. According to what type of furniture is being constructed, every furniture maker offers a different slant on design along with personal tastes. When it comes to wooden furniture, there is little uniformity but certainly a lot of scope to get creative design-wise and ensure a one-of-a-kind piece. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable woodworking projects that can help you make money with your woodworking skills. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furniture refers to movable objects intended to support various human activities. Furniture is also used to hold objects at a convenient height for work. It can be a product of design and can be considered a form of decorative art. In addition to furniture's functional role, it can serve a symbolic or religious purpose. It can be made from a vast multitude of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. Furniture can be made using a variety of woodworking joints which often reflects the local culture. Furniture has always been important in our lifestyle and it keeps changing according to the trend and use. There are many of furniture like traditional, modern and upholstery, etc. that make our lives easy and comfortable. It adds a unique charm to the indoor and outdoor environment. Whereas everyone requires furniture of some time to make their life comfortable and the basic furniture that is used by everyone in bed and sofa. Apart from enhancing the looks of the place, it is nearly impossible to live without the furniture items as it provides a unique charm and warmth at the place. So, utility is one of the most important factors as there are so many furniture items with multipurpose which are being used in our daily lives. Placing furniture items in a certain manner category in the spaces like a bedroom, living room, dining room, balcony, lounge, etc. for better use of space and comfort. You can choose from a wide variety of furniture items for your place as it keeps you motivated and gives a special feeling of belonging. Many websites have also started providing customized service so that you can plan your space accordingly with the unique items that no one else has. Wood comes in two types, softwood and hardwood. Softwoods include pine and cedar and are usually of a lighter color, which becomes darker and richer in tone when exposed to light. While softwoods are prone to scratches and marking, this can add to the character of the piece of furniture, and can give a rustic feel to your decor. Hardwoods include oak, cherry, teak, rosewood and mahogany. Hardwood trees are slow-growing, so the wood tends to be more expensive. It is also usually darker. Very hard-wearing, it keeps its rich appearance indefinitely. Furniture made from these woods are extremely durable and last for generations. Whether your home is traditional, modern, eclectic, or has a rustic theme, there will always be wooden furniture to suit it. Many love a traditional dining room with period-style table and chairs, and the accessories to match, of course. For centuries, wood was one of the few things available for the manufacture of domestic furniture. Over time, other materials became available. The Industrial Revolution brought iron and steel, while plastics were developed in the 20th century. Naturally, people were keen to embrace what was thought to be progress. However, it was not too long before the strength and beauty of wood was appreciated again, and today the variety of woods makes it the material of choice for millions. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable woodworking projects that can help you make money with your woodworking skills. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.